Why Josh Hamilton should have been a math nerd. Freeze. Detroit Tigers pitcher Brad Penny just induced a pop-up in foul territory off the bat of Adrian Beltre. Third baseman Brandon Inge and catcher Victor Martinez are about to converge on the pop-up, and since Penny was busy daydreaming, Josh Hamilton, who was on third base, noticed that no one was covering home plate. He decided to tag up and race home when the catch was made. But would he have done this if he had the most basic understanding of geometry? First, let's watch the entire play, and then revisit the play to show why Hamilton should not have attempted to score.
On the third base side, there's lots of foul room here, and there is room for Brandon Inge. He makes the catch in front of the Tigers dugout. Charging for the plate is Hamilton. A flip to the catcher, and Hamilton is out.
Back to our still image. Note that the distance from the pitching rubber to home plate is 60.5 feet. This fact will aid us in demonstrating, with relative accuracy, the distance Victor Martinez had to cover to beat Josh Hamilton to home plate. Now, let's draw a line from the pitching rubber perpendicular to the third base line, and let's draw a third line to form a triangle. And let's also extend the line between the pitching rubber and the third base line. Interestingly, this line ends very close to where Victor Martinez will be when Brandon Inge catches the pop-up. Now, let's draw a line from this spot to home plate. Another triangle is formed. To the naked eye, it is reasonable to notice that the third base line will be roughly equidistant from Victor Martinez and the pitching rubber. Thus, it's clear that the two triangles are roughly the same, since these lines are equal and because they share a side. Therefore, the third side of each triangle will also be roughly equal to one another, which means Victor Martinez's final distance from home plate will be about 60 feet. Remember, Josh Hamilton must travel 90 feet faster than Victor Martinez must travel about 60 feet. It is folly. Even Victor Martinez, in full catcher's gear, is up to the challenge. Too bad Josh Hamilton didn't study his geometry. If he had, he could have avoided breaking his shoulder. And that, my friends, is why Josh Hamilton should have been a math nerd.